How to delete a Netflix profile, easy solution. If you would like to delete a Netflix profile, it is very simple to do so. We can do this right from the Netflix app. Open the Netflix app and this is the interface you will see. You will see the amount of profiles you've added on the screen. And let's say that you want to delete a particular profile, but when you tap on it, it only asks you to enter the PIN. That's because this is not the way to delete the profile. To delete the profile, tap on the pencil-like editing icon, which you can see from the very top right-hand side, and here you'll find many different profiles that you've added. So just select the profile that you wish to delete, and then after that at the bottom, you can see the delete profile button, which you can simply tap on it and then delete that profile on Netflix. This way you can delete a Netflix profile. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.